Hi friends, as we are uploading a series of question and answer videos of microbiology, pathology, biochemistry and physiology, today we will discuss 10 multiple choice questions on microbiology. So, give your taste and comment me in the last that what is your score in the last. So, before that, if you are new to my channel then subscribe to my channel and hit that like button if you like this video, and don't forget to press that notification bell icon, because when I will upload a new video you will be notified first, because I upload biology lectures as well as question and answers. So the first question, as you can see in this picture, reaction between a particulate antigen with its antibody is called as first agglutination, second precipitation, third complement fixation and fourth diffusion. But the answer is agglutination, because agglutination means clumping of particles. So it is a reaction in which particles such as RBCs or bacteria suspended in a liquid collect into clumps, and which occurs especially as a serological response to a specific antibody. So the answer will be agglutination. Next we will move to the second question, and the second question is, poliovirus is primarily transmitted by, first one sexual contact, second one animal bite, third one fecal-oral route and the fourth one respiratory route. And the answer will be, as we know, poliomyelitis or polio is a highly infectious disease caused by a virus. It invades the nervous system and can cause total paralysis in hosts. The virus is transmitted from person to person through fecal-oral route. It means the pathogens in fecal particles pass from one person to the mouth of another person. And the third question is, multiple ring form within an infected RBC are seen in, first Plasmodium vivax, second Plasmodium falciparum, third Plasmodium ovale, fourth Plasmodium malariae. So the answer will be Plasmodium falciparum, because it can cause multi-organ failure including cerebral malaria, renal failure and severe anemia, and can be fatal if not promptly treated. So the answer is Plasmodium falciparum. Next we will move to the next question. The antibody that can cause placental barrier is, first IgA, second IgG, third IgM and fourth IgE. So these are immunoglobulins or antibodies. So which antibody can cross from mother to its baby? So IgG or immunoglobulin G is the only antibody class that is transferred to the fetus from mother, which provides protection to infants. Swine flu is caused by, first SARS-CoV, it means severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus, and second H5N1 influenza, and third H1N1 influenza and fourth hantavirus, and the answer is H1N1 influenza. Next, a sudden increase in number of cases of a particular disease in which the disease is normally endemic is called as, first endemic, second epidemic, third pandemic and fourth emerging illness. So the answer is epidemic. But if it will be, the number of cases will be increased globally, means whole worldwide, it will be called as pandemic. Which of the following causes iron deficiency anemia? First, Ascaris lumbricoides, second, Ancylostoma duodenale, third, Enterovirus vermicularis and fourth, Trichuria. So the answer will be, it is the hookworm which causes iron deficiency anemia. Hookworm means Ancylostoma duodenale. Next question. Antibodies are produced by T cells, plasma cells, third one antigen presenting cells and fourth macrophages. So that antibody is produced by B cells. So the answer will be plasma cells. So this plasma cells can only produce a single kind of antibody in a single class of immunoglobulin. Next question. Which immunoglobulins is responsible for anaphylaxis? As you know, anaphylaxis means This is a hypersensitivity reaction. So the option is IgA, option 2 is IgM, option 3 is IgE, fourth is IgG. So the answer will be IgE. So this immunoglobulin, it causes hypersensitivity reaction or allergic reactions in the human body. And finally the last question. Which of the following is a cystode? Cystoda is a class of parasitic worms in the flatworm of phylum Platyhelminthes. So the answer is first one option Ascaris lumbricoides, second Enterobius vermicularis, third Strongyloides torcoralis, and fourth Taenia solium. So the answer will be tapeworm or the Taenia solium. So this is the end of this video. I think this is helpful for you. So comment in the comment section that what is your score, so that we will see in the next episode. Thank you.